For many years, some of my celiac friends have missed out on pizza. Oh, that breaks my heart, but not anymore, Andrea.
Yes, we have created an amazing pizza, gluten-free, thanks to my mom. Because at the age of 15 years old, when I was back in Naples, where I'm from, I discovered that my mom was celiac. It is celiac.
Right.
So, working always in restaurants, I want to create a pizza that will taste exactly the same a pizza with the gluten. And that's when I came up with a recipe that look and eat exactly a pizza with the gluten.
Oh, and here it is here. So you don't even need to make it from scratch. It's ready to go.
No, it's already prepared, very easy. With 3-4 minutes, you're gonna have an amazing product.
Okay, so here's our beautiful base. What are we making?
Today we make a simple margherita with a little bit of innovation because when it comes out of the oven, we put some special ingredients.
Ooh, this sounds very appetizing.
A good pizza starts with tomato. And let's start it. Put just a few spoons of tomato in the middle.
Okay, tomato passata.
Tomato passata is good.
Very good.
All right, in the middle, and we spread all over.
Love that. So, Andrea, what do you put into the base to make it gluten-free?
It's a mix of flours like rice flour, tapioca flour, corn flour, protein, and fiber.
Fantastic. Okay, what's next?
We put some fresh mozzarella all around.
And, Andrea, how long are we going to cook this in the oven for?
For 5 minutes, 200 degrees, straight on the rocks.
Ooh, for a crispy base.
Yes.
I like that. Andrea, this pizza looks so good. Melted cheese, yes.
You can cut some tomato now.
Yes, so just a few more. There you go.
We put straight on the pizza like this.
Fresh tomato and a base of tomato. I love that.
The second step, if you can pass me the burrata.
Burrata, here we go.
I love this cheese, it's super creamy, and we will put it straight in the middle.
Fantastic. What else?
To finish off dessert, we need a little bit of homemade pesto, and we put a little bit everywhere. We want to be a little bit messy.
Messy but good.
Let's finish off dessert with some fresh basil.
Okay, and just pick it straight over the top.
Yes, looks good, smells good, this one.
Yes.
Justin, have a taste.
Yes, please.
Super creamy burrata.
Burrata. Every time you cut into burrata and it just explodes and oozes cheese, it's just the best. Thank you. Ooh,
Enjoy.
a piece with extra burrata. How
Yes.
kind of you. It tastes like pizza that has wheaten flour in it. You would never tell the difference. It's that good. Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you. Absolutely pleasure.
So good.